In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Google Drive folder to another folder. If your Google Drive is starting to feel disorganized, moving folders into the right place is one of the simplest ways to keep everything structured and easy to manage. Whether you're handling personal documents or shared project files, knowing how to properly relocate folders helps maintain a clean and efficient workspace. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. You can do this by typing the address directly into the search bar or entering the official Drive website. Once the page loads, make sure you are signed in with the correct Google account that contains the folder you want to move. This is important, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Next, locate the folder you want to reposition. Take your time to ensure you are selecting the correct one, especially if your drive contains many similar folders. Once you find it, click on the folder to highlight or select it. With the folder selected, look toward the top area of the interface where you will see the menu options. Click on the More Options icon, which is typically represented by 3 vertical dots. This opens a menu containing several actions you can perform on the selected folder. From this menu, choose the option that allows you to organize or move the folder. This will open a new window showing your Google Drive directory. At this stage, you will be able to browse through your existing folder structure to choose a new destination. Carefully navigate through your folders until you find the location where you want to place the selected folder. Click on the destination folder to highlight it. Once selected, a confirmation option labeled Move Here will appear, indicating that the folder is ready to be relocated. Before confirming, take a moment to double-check that you have selected the correct destination. This ensures your files remain properly organized and prevents accidental misplacement. Once you are confident, click the Move Here option to complete the process. Google Drive will then transfer the folder along with all its contents to the new location. Depending on the size of the folder, this may take a few moments to complete, but the process runs automatically in the background, and that's it. You have successfully moved a Google Drive folder into another folder, helping you keep your files organized and easier to navigate for future use. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.